Welcome to Arkham Intelligence, where blockchain secrets come to light. At the top, you'll see tabs like Profiler, Dashboard, Alerts, and Visualizer. These are your tools to navigate the blockchain. Let's start with the Profiler. Click here to dive into any wallet address. Just type it in, and voila, you get a detailed breakdown of its transactions, token holdings, and counterparties. It's like having X-ray vision for the blockchain. Now, let's click on the Visualizer. Here, you'll see a dynamic map of how wallets interact with each other. Watch the network unfold, showing the movement of funds between wallets. Let's move on to the dashboard. Go ahead and click. Customize your view with widgets track wallets, token flows, or set alerts for suspicious activity. Ready to go deeper? Click Intel Exchange. This is where the real magic happens. Users post bounties for Intel, and others fulfill them for rewards in Arkham tokens. Want to know who owns a suspicious wallet? Post a bounty. If someone uncovers the truth and it gets verified, they get rewarded, and you get the answer. Click Create Bounty to begin. Add your details, set a reward, and let the blockchain detectives get to work. Want to keep tabs on wallets? Click on Private Labels. Tag wallets as Exchange, Whale, or Suspect Number 1. It's your personal tracking system. Now let's click on Alerts. Set up custom notifications for activities like large transfers or token swaps. You'll get alerted instantly by email or your preferred method. And that's a wrap on our tour of Arkham Intelligence. This platform gives you the power to uncover the hidden stories behind every transaction. Visit intel.arkham.com and start your investigation.